Welcome to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of plants. In this video, we'll take you on a journey to discover the beauty and charm of Episcia cupreata, commonly known as flame violet. Join us as we delve into the specifics of this stunning plant species, from its origins in the tropical regions of Brazil, Colombia, and Venezuela, to its unique foliage and vibrant flowers. Learn about its cultivation requirements, including the best soil, light, and watering practices to ensure its health and vitality in your home or garden. We'll also share tips on propagation techniques so you can expand your collection of Episcia cupreata with ease. Plus, we'll discuss common pests and diseases to watch out for, and how to keep your plant thriving year-round. Whether you're a seasoned plant enthusiast or just beginning your journey into the world of gardening, this video has something for everyone. So sit back, relax, and let's explore the beauty of Episcia cupreata together. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all our latest plant-related content. Happy gardening! Episcia cupreata, also known as flame violet, is indeed a species of perennial plant in the family Gesnerianaceae. It's native to Brazil, Colombia, and Venezuela. It's known for its striking foliage and vibrant flowers, making it a popular choice for indoor gardens and as a houseplant. Appearance: Episcia cupreata typically has heart-shaped leaves that are often variegated with patterns of green, red, and silver. The leaves can have a velvety texture and are often deeply veined. Flowers: when it blooms, Episcia cupreata produces small tubular flowers that are typically red, orange, or pink in color. The flowers are borne on slender stems above the foliage and can add a pop of color to indoor spaces. Habitat: this species is native to the tropical regions of Brazil, Colombia, and Venezuela. It is often found growing in the understory of rainforests, where it thrives in the warm, humid conditions. Cultivation: Episcia cupreata is commonly cultivated as a houseplant or in greenhouse settings. It prefers well-draining soil and indirect light, making it suitable for indoor environments. It can also be propagated easily from stem cuttings. Care: to care for Episcia cupreata, it's important to keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. It benefits from regular misting to maintain humidity levels, especially in drier indoor environments. Fertilize occasionally during the growing season to promote healthy growth and blooming. Propagation: as mentioned, Episcia cupreata can be propagated from stem cuttings. Simply take a cutting with a few nodes and place it in moist soil or water until roots develop. Once rooted, the cutting can be potted up into its own container. Common names: besides flame violet, Episcia cupreata is also known by other common names such as chocolate soldier, carpet plant, and red flame. Varieties: there are several cultivated varieties of Episcia cupreata available, with variations in leaf color, size, and pattern. Some popular cultivars include silver sheen, chocolate soldier, and pink smoke. Growth habit: Episcia cupreata typically grows low to the ground, forming dense mats of foliage. It has a trailing or spreading growth habit, making it suitable for hanging baskets or as ground cover in terrariums. Pests and diseases: while generally resilient, Episcia cupreata can be susceptible to pests such as aphids, spider mites, and mealybugs, especially when grown indoors. Regular inspection and prompt treatment can help prevent infestations. Additionally, overwatering or poor air circulation can lead to fungal diseases such as root rot. Seasonal care: in regions with distinct seasons, Episcia cupreata may benefit from a period of reduced watering and fertilizer during the winter months when growth slows down. However, it should still be kept in a warm and well-lit location to prevent dormancy. Historical and cultural significance: beyond its horticultural value, Episcia cupreata has been historically significant in indigenous cultures. In some regions where it is native, the plant has been used for its medicinal properties or as a decorative element in traditional ceremonies. Hybridization: due to its attractive foliage and flowers, Episcia cupreata has been used in hybridization efforts with other members of the Gesneriaceae family. This has resulted in the development of new cultivars with unique characteristics and colors. Overall, Episcia cupreata is a fascinating plant with a rich cultural history and a wide range of cultivated varieties to explore. Its versatility and aesthetic appeal make it a favorite among plant enthusiasts and collectors alike. Certainly, Here's a detailed description of Episcia cupreata from A to Z. A. Episcia cupreata, commonly known as flame violet, is an attractive plant species belonging to the Gesneriaceae family. B. This species is native to Brazil, Colombia, and Venezuela, where it thrives in the warm, humid conditions of tropical rainforests. C. Episcia cupreata is characterized by its striking foliage, which typically consists of heart-shaped leaves that may be variegated with shades of green, red, and silver. D. When it blooms, Episcia cupreata produces small tubular flowers that are typically red, orange, or pink in color. These flowers are borne on slender stems above the foliage. E. Episcia cupreata is often cultivated as a houseplant or in greenhouse settings due to its attractive appearance and relatively easy care requirements. F. The common name flame violet refers to both the fiery colors of its flowers and the violet-like appearance of its foliage. G. Episcia cupreata has a trailing or spreading growth habit, making it suitable for hanging baskets or as ground cover in terrariums. H. In its natural habitat, Episcia cupreata can be found growing in the understory of rainforests, where it receives filtered sunlight and ample moisture. I. This species is known for its ease of propagation. It can be easily propagated from stem cuttings, which develop roots when placed in moist soil or water. J. Episcia cupreata is sometimes referred to by other common names such as chocolate soldier, carpet plant, and red flame. K. Knowledge of Episcia cupreata's cultivation and care requirements can help ensure its health and vitality as a houseplant or ornamental addition to indoor spaces. L. Like many plants, Episcia cupreata may be susceptible to pests such as aphids, spider mites, and mealybugs, as well as fungal diseases such as root rot. M. Maintaining consistent moisture levels and providing indirect light are key factors in the successful cultivation of Episcia cupreata. N. New cultivars of Episcia cupreata are continually being developed through hybridization efforts, resulting in a diverse range of leaf patterns and flower colors. O. Overwatering should be avoided, as it can lead to root rot and other problems. It's important to allow the soil to dry out slightly between waterings. P. Proper fertilization during the growing season can help promote healthy growth and flowering in Episcia cupreata. Q. Episcia cupreata is a versatile plant that can be grown both indoors and outdoors, depending on climate conditions and personal preference. R. Regular inspection for pests and diseases is recommended to catch any issues early and prevent them from spreading.